Guys, if you like to know how I achieve this beautiful simple makeup look, then keep watching. So today I'm doing a simple makeup tutorial. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's just get right into it. If you want to know how I got this blonde hair or how I curl my hair, comment down below. I'll be happy to do a tutorial. I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial, how I get my hair curls. It's really easy. Yeah, so let's get into it. Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, so I hope you like it. So if you like to know how I achieve these curls on my hair, please comment down below. So my hair is all done. When I finish, I'll just comb it up. So let's just get right into it. So this is the finished look of the whole makeup. Sorry, my camera was not picking it well whilst I was doing it. So simple. I decided to wear my hair today, not everyday diagram. Yeah, so simple, neutral. And this is the whole result. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let me know if there's any makeup look that you would like me to do. I'll be happy to do it. So comment down below. Let me hear what you think. As always, I'll really appreciate it for your comment, your subscribing, and everything that you're doing to help my channel grow. I really appreciate it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Bye.